Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called TurboLists, which is a new and cutting edge software that forces Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo and Amazon to build and profit you real highly engaged huge turbo list and email list in just 3 clicks. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 3 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $600 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
And in this short video I'm going to explain how exactly TurboLists work. So on the left of the dashboard you can see so many options. The first one is first time setup, where you are going to set up the Facebook app. It's just 30 seconds of work. Just go through the instructions and you'll be easily able to do it. The second option is the list, where you can create a new list, view the existing list and export your data. The third option is automation workflow, where you are going to create your first email sequence by clicking on add new workflow option, and you can check out your existing workflows directly here, and there are a few more options to manage your emails. Then the next one is the SMTP profile that you are going to use to send the emails. So whichever SMTP provider you are using, simply go inside the add new profile option and fill out all the details that are being provided by your SMTP provider and just save them, and you'll be able to send emails immediately. Then comes the last option, that is creating the campaign URL. Here we are going to create the new URL, the lead generation URL that is going to help you build email lists with the primary email addresses. So before we get started, let me walk you through why do you need TurboLists and how you can actually build a better business using TurboLists. So if you see on this page, this is a standard existing landing page, the conventional landing page that we use to capture the emails. You provide a lead magnet, you capture the email, that's it. But what actually happens is the users have become really smart, and just to get the lead magnet they start adding the secondary email addresses which they never check. So that's where you lose your money on autoresponders by capturing an email which users are never going to use. Second, you waste some of the traffic, especially for people who are posting their content on Facebook pages or sending an email with all the information and then providing a link. So you are actually wasting some of your traffic by having this additional page, which you can remove by using our unique lead generation URL. So that's the idea behind coming up with this new software. So let me help you with a small demo campaign so that you can understand the whole software and you can get started really quick. So for example, I want to promote a how to lose weight campaign. Then I'll provide a small lead magnet and I'll write a small email, and let me pick up an offer from ClickBank and let's get started with the campaign creation. So you can check here, this is my ClickBank account and I'm inside the marketplace. I have opted for the top offers inside the marketplace by going directly inside the marketplace. Let me just show you how it's done. I know most of you already know this, but for people who are getting started new, so this is how it's done. I have picked up top offers from ClickBank and I'll just click on the promote button. I'll generate my unique URL, my affiliate URL. I copied the URL, I'll paste the URL somewhere in the notepad. So for example, I'll just paste it here, and this is a small email that I have written that we are going to use. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll create a small list. Let's call it weight loss list. So our email is just created. Now I'll just go inside the workflow where I'm going to create an email sequence. So let's call this WL sequence, and I'll click on the next button here. Now I'll click on the step addition option so that you can set your first email that needs to be sent immediately when they sign up through your unique URL. So I'll simply keep it on immediately, but if you want to send email on a particular day and time, you can set it up from here, and you can send up to 30 days of emails by setting up this email sequence. So I'll simply save this email and I'll click on the design email option. I have a pre-written email here. I'll simply copy this email. I know you guys are expert, you can write better emails. Let's keep this email for a while, and Okay, I missed out on this. Let me go back here. Now I'll use my affiliate link and I'll update my affiliate link on this text. So when the user receives this email, they can be redirected to the affiliate offer that we just picked from ClickBank. And here I'll provide the download link to my lead magnet, so you know how to do that. I'm sure you know that. Download my, okay, let's just pick this subject line and save. So our email is ready. I can view it from here. I can even edit it again. As of now, I'll just keep it simple. And if you want to have more follow-up emails, you can simply click on add button and you can set up the email for second day. For example, you want to send the email on at 10 a.m. Eastern time. You can simply pick it up from here, save, and then you can design your text like write day 2 email. Okay, so write your content for the second day and click on the next. Now I'll select this option so that all the new users who are being added to this new list will receive this email sequence, and finish. So my email sequence is ready. Now let's move to the second part. This is our email sequence. Now let's move to the second part where we are going to create the lead generation URL. So click on add new option and let's call this campaign as weight loss camp number 1. And here once the user signs up, we can redirect them to either a thank you page, or we can redirect them to the affiliate link, the offer page. So I can simply go back here and copy my affiliate link, come back here, paste it here, and now I have these 5 options. So here we are going to make the user sign up from one of these accounts so that we can capture their primary email addresses that they actually check. So for a demo purpose, I am going to use Google account, that is their Gmail address or the Google account, and I'll click on the next button here, and now I'll select the list in which the user needs to get added after they sign up. So that was our list name, and now we go inside the automation workflow where we will select the email sequence that we just created, and we are going to select the SMTP profile. So I have added my SendGrid profile here. You can add whichever SMTP suits you, and then click on the next step, and our unique generation URL is ready. So we can copy this, but before we open the URL, let me go back here and let me show you that our unique campaign URL is ready. This is our unique URL. This is the link that we need to promote. So I copy it again and let me go to a new browser. And this is one of the email addresses that I created just for testing purpose. I'll simply open this URL here. And you can see it is asking me to sign up through my Gmail account, the Google account. So that's the beauty part of this whole system, that instead of me as a subscriber, I have to sign up through my Google account instead of signing up through an account which I'm never going to use. So suppose I'm using this account or this account, for example, I'm going to use this account. I'll simply open this, and the user is already being added to my Gmail account, to my TurboList account. And I'll come back here. You already see that it shows 0 clicks and 0 leads. Now we will refresh this page and we can see that we have received 1 click on this URL and 1 lead is added to this URL. So I'll just go back I'll go to the analytics option, and we can click on analytics, and we can see, we'll scroll down, we can see that WL Camp 1, there is 1 user registered named Ram Rawat with so and so email address, and this was the list name, and we can even see it was added at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So once this is done, you see the campaign, the URL has redirected me to the landing page of the offer, the affiliate offer. So when the user signs up, first they are being added to the our list, your list, You can go back and check here your list. This is the list that we created, and you can see the user is added to the list and they are redirected to the affiliate offer that we are intending to promote. Okay, so I think whole system works, and you can check out the okay, there's one more thing that we missed out, that the user should receive the email that we have set up in the email sequence. So we go back here and I'll check my email. You can see that I have received an email, and I'll just go inside. I can see this is the email that I have written, and okay, I'll simply click on this to download the ebook, and this should redirect me to the affiliate link. So I'll just click here and let's see whether it takes us to the affiliate offer or not. Voila. Okay, so it is taking us to the affiliate offer. I think everything is done here, and let's go back to the dashboard. So we saw the whole system works. We have email captured inside our unique campaign, and we have everything that we intend to do with the TurboLists app. If you still have any questions, queries, you can reach out to my support, that is support@ramrawat.net, and I'll be happy to help you out. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.